Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about date function. So basically we can generate the day, year and month by using the text function. So here we are going to try this. We have this, the day is 12, the month is 9 and there is 2020. I just type here equal sign. I use the text function. After that I select it's the value. After that I should put comma. So if I want to, I should put this in quotation mark. So if I want to find the year, I should write y. I can write 2 or 3 or 4 y, so it depends which format of year do I want. So I just close the bracket and enter. You can see because I have used, so here I want to apply for month, for example here equal sign text. I select the value, comma, quotation mark, and for month I just want to write 3m, not 4m. Quotation, close the bracket and enter. If I type 4m, it will be completed December. So I want to apply for day also here. Equal sign text. I should select the value, comma, after that quotation. I should type here day. I can type here 2 times. Close the bracket and enter. You can see it's 9. So here I want to apply, I have the joined it here, so I want to separate this here. So first of all, you can see it's pretty easy. We can apply that. I just write here equal sign text, and here I can write select the value, comma, quotation mark. I just type y 2 times, it's here, quotation mark, close the bracket and enter. Oops, it doesn't work. Let's try for day and month. Okay, equal sign text, select the value, comma, so it's the day. I just put 3d, 1 2 3, quotation, close the bracket and enter. It doesn't work, so I want to try for month. Equal sign text, select the value, comma, quotation. So for month I want to write 4m. I want the name of complete month. Enter. So here we have a problem. So the problem is that the Excel cannot recognize this as a date, so I have to convert it to date. So how can I do that? So I want to create a helper column here, insert a helper column here. I want to apply the date function here. It's pretty easy. I just write here equal sign date. So first of all I should select the year. You can see here we have the year. There is 2014. So here I should use the left function for my year. I use the left function. After that I select the text, comma, so it's 2014, it's 4 characters, and try 4, close the bracket, comma. So now I have the number of month here. So for month I should use the mid function here because it's located between day and year. So I just write here mid. I select the text, comma, so it starts from 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, comma, it's 2 characters. You know this mid function, comma. So the last one for day I have 2 characters and I have to use the right function. Right, select the text, comma, 2, close the bracket once, close the brackets for all. So now I have divided this by left, mid and right, so I just press enter. You can see now it looks like date. I just double click here. So after that I just copy this, copy, I come here to the first cell and here paste values. Yes, you can see I just delete this, I don't need this again. You can see it's the year 2014, Tuesday and January. I just select this and double click here. It works perfectly. So that's it about the date function and text function. So if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.